Myself and the organising team, are looking forward to delivering our 5th fire conference. This year's theme is driving a cohesive and collaborative culture. The Grenfell Inquiry Phase 2 report will be released around a month before the event, so this is likely to be the first time we can all gather together to address some of its contents. The event offers a space to hear from the biggest organisations within fire, us, the Fire Protection Association, the National Fire Chiefs Council, the Institution of Fire Engineers and the Fire Sector Federation.
This year's fire conference will be mine first as Chief Executive of the FPA. And I'm very much looking forward to getting together with other colleagues and professionals from across the sector to discuss and explore the myriad of challenges we face in how we improve fire safety and property resilience in this country. The changing nature of fire risks within buildings and the implementation of the Building Safety Act, which is changing your duties and responsibilities. Now it is more important than ever that we come together and collectively address fire safety, property resilience in a more integrated and joined up way.